Hello student, how are you? Hopefully that you all of you are okay. So today I'm going to show you how to use Bootstrap in your Sublime Text. So actually, in brief, Bootstrap is open source toolkit for developing HTML, CSS, and also JavaScript. So I already created this step for you to install Bootstrap. So today I'm going to show you how to use Bootstrap in your Sublime Text. Basically, Bootstrap is something like a template where you can use this template to design your website so that it must be easier. Okay, so without further ado, so let's open your Bootstrap. Sublime Text. So Sublime Text look like this. So to install the Bootstrap, so first of all, you go to Preference, Package Control, Install Package, and wait for Sublime Text to open this one. Okay, so you have something like this. So I want you to type in the column Bootstrap. Okay, you can find this one, which is Bootstrap for snippets. So I want you to click this one and wait for Sublime Text to install the Bootstrap. Okay, now the package is already here. So if you want to get more information about Bootstrap for snippet, you can go to this website, this one. Okay, so you can type Bootstrap Sublime Text Bootstrap for snippet, and you have this one. So you can open something like this. This is something that you can get from the package. Okay, so I want you to scroll down. Okay, and then you find this one, templates. Okay, so in your Sublime Text, what you need to do is that you have to create a file, a new HTML file, to apply the Bootstrap. Okay, so we close this one first. Go to the file, new file, and save the file, which is I'm going to save it in my web folder. This one, design CSS. I want to save it as a boot try. Okay, and then I click save so that I have a boot try. I'm so sorry. So this one I have to rename it. Okay, delete this one first. I supposed to save it as a HTML file. Sorry, file, new file, and save the file. Okay, boot try.html. This one also you have to choose HTML and click save. Okay, so we have this one. This is the file, boot try. Okay, so to apply the Bootstrap, first of all, go back to the package control, this one. Okay, let's say inside the template you want to apply boot sign in, this one. So just highlight this one, Ctrl C to copy, then go to your Sublime Text. Over here you choose design and Ctrl V because you want to paste it over here in your Sublime Text, and then press your tab button. Okay, so what happens is that it will open, or it will paste all those codes, HTML text that relates to the Bootstrap to create the sign in. Okay, so just delete this one because we add, or if we don't delete, it's going to be a symbol over here. Okay, so save your file. Okay, now open your XAMPP. Okay, so I want you to start the Apache service and click on the admin button, this one. Okay, so the admin, since my web folder name is design CSS, okay, this one. So my file is actually boot try .html. So just enter, then voila. So I'm going to get the template, okay, which is a template that I created for the sign in, this one. Okay, so this one, sign in. You can try another template if you want. So let's say you want to try template dashboard. So this one, you just copy this one. I repeat it again. Go to your Sublime Text. Let's say you want to replace all those text that appear over here. Just Control A to select all and delete. And you can use the symbol, paste the template, and tap. Okay, go to the first line, delete it again, save your file, go to this one, sorry, not this one. Okay, this one. Okay, so we are going to open Bootstrap HTML because we already changed the Bootstrap. And when you refresh or press F5, you're going to get something like this. Okay, so the template will change according to what you choose in here. Okay, so the templates are here, over here. So you just can play around with the template. You can select new template if you want, and then you can try it and save it. Okay, so, and then you can preview them in your browser. Okay, so